how to use HP Printables to print worksheets, cards, games, business templates, and more with the HP Smart App. The HP Smart App packs in cool features with creative, productive, and fun activities for children, parents, teachers, and professionals. HP Printables is one such feature with a curated collection of pre-formatted templates, coloring pages, worksheets, learning modules, greeting cards, business documents, and crafts that can be easily printed. To use HP Printables, you can go to printables.hp.com or use the HP Smart App. To access from the HP Smart App, you will first need to install the app on your device. Go to 123.hp.com to download the HP Smart App. Open the HP Smart App and click on the Printables tile. The HP Printables website opens. Scroll down to the Collection section. Click on See All to see all templates. You can now print learning worksheets, business documents, productivity worksheets, greeting cards, crafts, and more by clicking on an option. For example, to print a learning worksheet, click on Learning Worksheets. Printables displays a list of all available learning worksheet designs. Filter worksheets by creator to select from our partners. Click Age Group and select a suitable option from the drop-down menu, such as 5 to 8. Click Activity to choose an activity type, such as learning worksheets, or others, such as calendars, games, and crafts. Click Category to select a subject area for your worksheet, such as math. Click on the worksheet you want to print, and then click Preview and Print. Preview the design, and then print the worksheet. Similarly, to print a productivity worksheet, under Collections, click Productivity. You can filter worksheets by creator, age group, activity, or category. You can easily print posters, games, calendars, strategic business plans, and other templates in a similar manner using the Printables feature in the HP Smart App. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.